So I've come with plenty of information about the Google Pixel 6 phone. You may have noticed the renders of Pixel 6 or 6 Pro. They are appearing unique than prior phones of Google. Again on the Twitter, the name of the account TechScore who brought these pictures of the Pixel 6 in the company of different colors. These are the renders, not original phones. A Twitter account of Yogesh tweeted that Pixel 6 Pro may have a fresh large Sony sensor, perhaps 50 megapixel main camera alongside 8 megapixel periscope lens, accompanied by 5x optical zoom or wide angle lens, moreover a color correction sensor. Regarding the speculations of Pixel 6, it's confirmed Pixel 6 will be having a Whitechapel GS101 chip. You know, Samsung is developing this chipset. We are looking for that. It won't be like a Exynos chips. So this is octa-core with ARM CPU, 2 Cortex A78 or 2 Cortex A75 and 4 Cortex A55. In the 2021, Google is pondering to add 120Hz refresh rate along with OLED panel will be a appealing thing from the Google. By seeing the latest renders, it seems like the Pixel 6 perhaps features a dual camera at the rear. Furthermore, Google may utilize Sony sensor for better pictures or color correction. In the sample of Pixel 6, it does contain punch-hole, a tiny camera at the center of the front. The information about the cameras are unknown, so it's gonna be a flagship phone. But Google Pixel 6 will be running on Android 12, a modern operating system. Pixel will be the first phone that will use Android 12. In addition to lots of better things are coming in Android 12. Google must expand the battery backup of it, like providing 4200 mAh cell with wireless charger. I want to be hearing your thoughts in comment box. What can be the expense of this phone? So that's been, catch you in the upcoming video.